for those people that don't know how to enter future trading on their exchange app, number one thing is that future trading is the same process when you want to enter it on Bybit, Binance, or Bitget. Just that different templates. So if you're entering on Binance or you're entering on Bybit, just follow this process. You will get it on any exchange app. Now the first thing you do is that, okay, let's say drop it in now. Now the first thing you do is that the name of the coin, you look at the name of the coin, sign USDT, you come here, click on the search button here. Click on the search button there, click on sign USDT. Now it will bring you the name of the coin. This is a coin, and this is a coin. So you click on it. This is a coin. Now the next thing you do is that you click on trading here. Click on trading here. Now the next focus is my leverage. The leverage here is 10 to 25x. That was the leverage I gave, 20 to 25x. So you come back to your trading app. This is where you change the leverage. So you can choose to pick 10x or 20x or the stuff. But one thing is that let your leverage be determined by your capital. If you are using low capital, you have no reason to be using high leverage because you are putting your money at risk. So now, for example, let me just say I want to go with the $10 with the 10x. Now the next thing I will do is that I'll click on entry point 0.06244. Now it means that until when the price of that coin get to that point, that now you click on the entry point, that is 0.06244. 0.06244. Now the other value, the amount you want to use, let's say 20. Now if I put 200 here, the cost will be my determinant. Now the cost here is $20. That means I'm using $20 to trade. After using that, the next thing you look at is the TP and the stop loss. It is not compulsory that you enter all the TP or the 4 TP. You can pick any of the TPs. Let me just, I want to pick the third one. That will be, now I'll click my TPSL. Now is my take profit, that is 0.03660, and I want to go for my stop loss. That will be 0.071. 0.0710. So now automatically showing me that means it's showing me that if I trade with this $20 and if this trade is my stop loss, I'm going to lose $27. That means I'm losing more than what I'm using to trade, which is not advisable. In that case, if you see your expected loss too much, come and reduce your leverage. To 5x. Then let me reduce to 5x. Now reduce my capital to $20. The cost is $20. Because it's $20 now, check your expected loss. So now the expected loss is $13 out of $20. Now it depends on your risk appetite. If you are someone that you cannot bear the loss of losing $14 out of $20, that you make $6, don't enter the trade. It's better you just stay off. But if you can bear the loss, go with it. But if you cannot bear the loss, don't enter the trade. So sometimes that's one of the risk management principle. Always make sure your capital is firstly considered before entering any trade. Don't just be greedy that you want to enter every trade. You get it now? So no trade is 100%. But one thing is that trade might actually have higher accuracy of winning, but doesn't mean that it's 100%. So now let's say you want to go with that. The next thing you do is that you click on this short. Once you click on short and you click on confirm, that is when you enter your trade. That's just simple way now to enter future trading. The same process if you want to enter a long trade. Click on long if it was a long trade, and you automatically enter your trade.